All right, Kevin here at Lifestyle Cycles. We just got the new WHD.9813 radios in, and unfortunately, Soundstream gave us a brand new update after we shipped the first 175 of these. So I'm going to go over with you real quick on what the new updates are and how to put the new updates into your system. Some of the cool new features are you now have front and rear separate electronic crossovers instead of just global front. And we also now have some functions that if you do an in and hold on your buttons on the 98 to 13s, it'll actually perform some extra features as well on the radio. It's really great. Let's take the thumb drive, put it right in here. We're going to go to Soundstream at the top, the gear icon, go to General, go up to About, hit Update. Update all. Now at any time in doing this, if you disconnect the thumb drive or shut the radio off, you will cook your radio. You will do what they call bricking it. This is not covered under warranty, so just don't do it. Leave your bike on. If you don't have a lot of juice, make sure you leave a battery tender hooked up or something like that. Let it go through its full cycle before you do anything of removing the thumb drive or powering down. Right now it just powered itself down and beginning to reboot back up. You'll notice the status indicator going across for the update here shortly. Okay, now it'll come to this screen. It's still not done yet. Give it time to go away from this screen and do a complete reboot. You notice here's the status indicator here. Light gray is not updated yet. The dark gray is, so you notice that it's slowly coming across, so just give it some time. So now the radio is rebooting. So let's go to Soundstream, the gear icon. Let's go to audio. Digital crossover. Used to just be one crossover. Now you have both front and rear. This is really important if you're going to be running a 5 1/4, 6.5 up front, getting anything bigger in the back with a 6x9 or an 8-inch. You want to be able to cross those speakers over differently because the larger the diameter speaker, the lower frequency it's going to play. And you don't want to rob those speakers of the low mid-range or the low mid-bass. But you certainly don't want to be driving that through your 5 1/4, 6.5 up front, overdriving them and making your speakers prematurely fail. So let's also go into, for my front, I'm going to set this up to, let's go to front. I'm going to set my fronts up. This is the Precision Power MAS WHT speakers. I'm going to set them up at 100 on a 24 dB slope. It's got the 6x9s in the rear. I'm going to cross those over at 80. Still on a 24 dB slope. This will make this system sound really nice and play to its full potential. All right, so here's another great feature of the new radio, being able to give your normal 6 function buttons up to 8 functions now, and it's a really cool feature, and I'll show you how you do it. Go into General. Well, first off, you'll start with your Soundstream to where it gets you to the gear icon. You'll go to General, Handlebar Programming, and if you notice, you have 2 buttons here. You can program your long press on either one of them to camera, USB, Sirius XM, power the radio off, your day-night dimmer, your voice assist, or go back to home. You've also got CarPlay and Android Auto. By choosing any one of these, a long press on your left or your right is going to take you right to your home. It's going to take you right to your CarPlay, Android Auto. Any one of these features, radio, camera, USB, Sirius XM, powering it off, will all be done by pushing this button in and hold. All right, now I've set these buttons up to when I do a long press on the left-hand side, it's going to automatically dim my radio. And when I do a long hold on the right-hand side, a long press, it's going to go to your AM and FM or whatever your station you've had preset before. So let's go ahead and back out of this. Go to our home screen. So a long press dims my radio. Long press brings it back. If I'm in my Bluetooth with a long press, it's going to take me to my AM and FM. So as you just saw, this update's really simple. We're going to be sending an email out to everyone with this update link. We're also going to put the link on the website as well. But again, this is only for the WHD 98 to 13 radio. This is not a feature, at least at this time, on the other WHD radios, but I would expect it to be coming along soon. So any other questions or concerns, reach out to us here at Lifestyle Cycles. Me and my tech support team will get you taken care of and answer any questions you may have.